Do you want to strengthen your core muscles without doing any sit-ups due to neck and upper back pain? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. I'll be demonstrating a lovely core Pilates without lifting your shoulders and your neck that could create neck and upper back pain, and still targeting your deep core muscles utilizing core isometrics. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start on your hands and knees position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees level to your hips. And we'll do bear plank. Bear plank is when you grab the mat with your toes, grip it hard, and gently lift your knees off the mat, looking like a bear, and hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna feel some tension on your quads and your hip flexors, but you really want to target your deep core by pulling your belly button in as you lift, and hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We have 5 more to go, and lift. Take a deep breath as you lift. 2 and 1. 4 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Outdoors, enjoying this beautiful nature. And you can hear a lot of birds right now. 2 more. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. And 1. And last one. And lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. And now we're going to progress with bird dog. So bird dog is when you extend one leg. So I'm lifting my right with my knee leveled with my toes and foot towards my hip, not too high or not too low, keeping it leveled, and then extending the opposite arm. So this one challenges your core as you balance, keeping your core engaged, eye levels to the mat. So I'm looking down towards the mat. Hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then we're going to switch it up to the other side. So I'm shifting my body. Try your best to be centered, lifting my right hand and my left foot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale as you lift. Now the opposite side, alternating left and right. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Mind body awareness, making sure everything is level. 2 and 1. 5 more. Inhale, lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You might feel some burn now on your shoulders and your hips, and that's fine, but keeping your core engaged, pulling your belly button towards your spine as you breathe in and breathe out. 4 more. Lift. Squeezing my glutes and upper back. And opposite side. 3, 2, and 1. 3 more. Inhale, lift. Feel that lovely hold. 5 seconds hold. You're gonna feel it really working hard on your core. And this is great for upper back weakness as well. 2 more sets to go. Opposite side. Last set. Inhale, lift. Your balance a little bit when you get tired. Hands for a gentle child pose. So sitting down on your bottom, extending your arm if you're getting tired on your wrist, and you can shake it off to rest. Hold that for 3 deep breaths. Last one, deep breath in. And back to your hands and knees. Okay, my friends, now we'll go back again to bear plank, but we have a little bit more progression. Grab the mat with your toes, lift your knees, and then with that bear plank, we're gonna do extend one leg and back center and alternating left and right. We'll do it 10 times. Left extend, keeping that opposite knee still off the mat, and then the other side. So I'm extending my leg at the edge of the mat, keeping that bear plank position as you go back, even when extended. Try not to lift your hips higher than your shoulder. Keep it low. 5 more. 4. Keep on going. 3, 2, keeping your shoulders level to your wrists, and 1, and down. Well done. And then to rest your shoulders again, let's go back to child pose. So this is beginner friendly program, especially for those with neck and upper back stiffness and pain. And then usually you're gonna have some wrist pain as well. So it's nice to rest, shake it off with your breathing. Last deep breath in, shake it, make circles on your wrist, and then back to your hands and knees position. So we're pacing ourselves because with upper back and shoulder stiffness, you don't want to overdo it. Slowly progress. Okay, my friends, now we're going to do a progression for a full plank. So full plank is when you extend all the way through. Hold that position, making sure your hips are not too high or not too low. Level to your shoulders and hold that for 5, 2, 1. Gently tap your knees down to rest, and then we'll do 5 more to go. Lift your knees off again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then down, and lift again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then down, then 5, 4, 3, 1, and down. 2 more. Inhale, lift. 5, 4, 3, and 1. Last one. Inhale, lift. 5, 4, 3, and 1. Well done. Go to your elbows. Clasp your hands in front of you. So make sure your elbows are level to your shoulders. And now we're gonna do forward plank on your elbows. And hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then lower your knees down to rest. And your hips as you breathe in. And as you exhale, lift your hips up for a plank. And hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. 3 more. Lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. 2 more. Inhale and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, my friends. Inhale and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's lie on your side. We're gonna do core isometrics, targeting your side core muscles. So we're going to your elbow first. Palms down on your arm that you're resting. Knees bent for support. Hand on your hip and lift. And hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. We have 4 more, and lift. And you can challenge yourself by extending your arm. Hold that for 5. I'm reaching to the heavens, and hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. 3 more. Lift. And if this is too difficult, you can place your hand in front of you for support. 2 more, and lift. And for those who want to challenge, level 1, 2, and 3. Last one, and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now progression is on your hand and level to your shoulder. Knees bent and lift. Knees together. And challenge by extending the opposite leg and lifting it up. Hold that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly bend your hand. Place your hand, right hand on top of your shoulder, up behind your head, and knee bent behind you. And then extend your knee as you point your hands to the ceiling or heavens. Bend and extend. 5 more. Lift. Bend your elbow and your knee, and then exhale as you extend. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Now we're going to switch it up to the other side. On your forearm first, elbow level to your shoulder, hand in your hip, and lift. Hold that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And for beginners, hold on to the mat to support level 1, level 2, and level 3, whichever you're comfortable. And down, 3 more, and lift. 3, 2, 1, 2 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, and lift. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now let's go to your head, level to your shoulder, knees bent, and lift. And let's challenge with your other leg, the top leg extended, and lift. Up, pointing to the ceiling or heaven. Slightly bend your knee and your hand, or your elbow with your hand behind your head. Knee bent as you inhale, and then exhale, extend. Both with your elbow and knee back and forth. Inhale, exhale. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. I'm hoping you enjoyed this lovely Pilates Core Isometrics. Great for those who have weakness on their upper back and neck. And if this is too difficult, just do the gentle flow program I have that you can follow the link down below to slowly progress to this level. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding my video, please leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media. If you find value on my Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy, health and wellness, and want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this to your friends and loved ones so it could be shared all over the world. It will help my channel to grow more tremendously, and you can help more people who could be reached out through my channel. Until my next video, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye!